In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your school group public or private. If you're looking to adjust the privacy settings of your school community, you've come to the right place. Whether you want your group to be exclusive or open to the public, the steps are pretty straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the school website. You can easily do this by typing Skool into the search bar of your browser's homepage. Once the search results load, click on the first link to take you to Skool's webpage. Now, you'll need to log into your account. Find the login button on the top right corner of the page and click on it. Go ahead and enter your login details. This typically involves your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is where you can view and manage all of the school groups you're part of. Your next step is to locate and click on the small arrow in the upper right corner of the page. This should open a drop-down menu. Scroll through this menu to find the specific community whose privacy settings you want to modify. After selecting the desired community, click on it to proceed. With the community page open, look for the settings option. This is generally found among the menus displayed near the top. Clicking on settings will direct you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your group. Once you're on the settings page, click on General. This is where you can adjust the overall settings for your group, including its privacy status. After clicking General, you should see an option labeled Public. If your group is currently private and you want to open it up to the public, clicking on Public will enable anyone to find and join your group. Conversely, if you're looking to make a public group private, ensure this option is unchecked to restrict access only to approved members. Changing a group's privacy status on Skool can help tailor your community to suit the needs of its members. Remember, making your group private can foster a sense of exclusivity, while making it public allows for greater accessibility and reach. That's all there is to it. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Whether making adjustments for inclusivity or exclusivity, knowing how to manage your group settings is essential. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos to enhance your online community experience.